Hello guys, welcome back to Morningstar. Today I am here with another wonderful stock. You can see the name of the stock towards the top left corner of the screen. It is Balrampur Chini Mills. Balrampur Chini Mill is it? Yeah, Balrampur Chini Mill. You can see that I have drawn a particular pattern here. The stock is in an uptrend. You'll be able to see that while drawing this pattern, you'll be able to realize that the stock is in an uptrend. Now, on the bottom trend line that I've drawn here, the stock has tested it multiple times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth time it broke, but then again it came back in. So 6 times it has tested the bottom trend line. At the top, I have drawn 2 parallel lines, not just one parallel line and like one trend line. I have drawn 2 parallel lines as a trend zone. It is not a trend line. I'll explain the logic behind this. Okay, now if you remove the trend line at top, you'll be able to see that the top trend line has been tested multiple times. 1, 2, second time it gave a breakout, but the price couldn't sustain above, came back down. 3, 4, fifth time it gave a breakout and it couldn't sustain above, it came back down. 6th time it has tested, 7th time. Now the reason why I'm drawing a zone here is because prices were not able to sustain above this particular trend line. So that is why, for safety purpose, we'll just draw a zone. It's a trend zone, and unless and until the price does not break above and close above the trend zone, we won't enter this trade. Now, as you can see, on the 4th of March, the price was able to break out of the trend zone and close above. And now we'll always, as always, we'll wait for a pullback. Now we'll switch over to the 1 hour time frame. See guys, you can see here what happened on the 5th of March. There was massive sell off in Nifty, right, in the markets. Now what happened is the price was not, the stock could not sustain above, like the breakout, it couldn't go above the previous day's candle. So what happened, the price retested the trend line at the top. In the 1 hour time frame, you'll be able to see the same thing. Now this is where we'll enter, guys. See, you can see good wick at the bottom for this candle. The candle just before the closing candle, you can see a good wick at the bottom. That means the buyers are still interested in the stock. It has tested the trend line at the top once. Now what you can do is you can wait for another bullish confirmation, like some sort of a pin candle or a hammer candle or a proper bullish candle with no wick at the top, and then you can enter the stock. About the target, we don't have a preset target as of now here, because you can see that the stock has given a multi-year breakout, right? Previously, on the 16th of January 2020, the price was almost like 194 rupees, and from there it fell down, came back down. So we do not have any sort of target yet, guys. So this seems like a good entry. Now, as I always say, this is not a stock call or a recommendation or a financial advice of any kind. You can keep the stock in your watch list and see how it performs. Until next time, thank you guys.